Tired of blending in online? Stand out with Next Hubz Limited's graphic design magic. Eye-catching visuals are the key to grabbing attention in today's digital world. We don't just make things pretty, we create powerful graphic design that tell your brand story and get results. Our designers are expert to creating awesome-looking logos, infographics, social media graphics, and website layouts. They will create design that not only look fantastic but also make your message crystal clear. We don't just design, we connect. We take the time to understand your brand and who you are trying to reach. These let us create visuals that people remember and that perfectly reflect your unique identity. Whether you want to build brand awareness, get more engagement, or boost sales, our designs are built to achieve your goals. First impressions are everything. Investing in top-notch graphic design pays off in a big way. It makes your website and social media post more user-friendly, builds trust with your audience, and helps your brand stand out from the competition. Ready to unlock the power of graphic design for your brand with Next Hubz Limited? We'll create visuals that stop people in their tracks and take your brand to the next level. Contact us today.